truly spectacular. Today, we step into the world of homemade wood splitters. Their power, precision, and operating skills will leave you amazed. The cone-shaped drill style wood splitter begins spinning at an incredible speed. Before it are massive poplar and maple logs, some up to 80 centimeters in diameter. Yet the machine handles them effortlessly, each rotation delivering a decisive and powerful split. No hydraulic oil, no complex systems, just a three-phase motor running on 220V with a few supporting capacitors. The wood splitter powers up with impressive force. No chainsaw is needed, all the strength comes from the solid steel pusher driving each log straight into the sharp axe blade. The large, heavy logs are lifted onto the feed table by strong operators, neatly positioned, and stepped back to wait. Each axe blade is precisely engineered to split the wood into two perfect halves, quickly and extremely efficiently. The two men work together with unbelievable rhythm and precision. One quickly grabs each piece of wood, placing it on a large log that serves as a sturdy support table. The other firmly holds the compact yet incredibly powerful steel chainsaw, ready to cut each piece decisively. The saw blade races at high speed, producing smooth, clean cuts in an instant. Each small wood piece falls, stacking neatly. The entire process flows seamlessly, with no wasted motion, showcasing the craftsman's experience and perfect coordination. Just place the log onto the sturdy feed table and let the machine handle the rest. The powerful steel pusher slowly advances, pressing the log into the razor-sharp splitting blade. A thrilling crack echoes, and the log is instantly split cleanly in two. No need to lift an axe, no effort required, everything happens smoothly, like a perfectly calculated process. Even the largest, heaviest logs obediently yield to the mechanical power. The handcrafted mechanical wood splitter operates with incredible power. No electricity, no complex hydraulic systems, just foot pressure and a clever lever mechanism are enough to split even the toughest logs. The operator simply places each log on the rack, secures its position, and applies force to the control lever. The sharp steel axe blade drives deep into the log, producing a clean, impressive split instantly. So crazy! The homemade wood splitter, equipped with a 3 kilowatts, 1,500 revolutions per minute motor, a 132 reduction gearbox, and 320 mm, 85 mm pulleys, operates impressively. Running on a standard 220V outlet, the machine generates powerful thrust, splitting each log accurately and swiftly. The TN130D Pro diesel wood shredder roars to life as soon as its 15 horsepower engine is activated. The sharp blades, combined with a 600mm flywheel, generate massive inertia, easily slicing through large diameter branches. Logs, branches, and leftover wood from saws are fed into the hopper and quickly transformed into wood chips in just seconds. Wow! The Zubr machine specializes in producing thin roofing shingles from softwood. The log is securely fixed, and the sharp blade gradually slices it into thin sheets ranging from 5 to 15 millimeters. In the past, this work was done by hand and very labor-intensive, but now the machine greatly increases productivity and saves significant effort.
Смягчитель у нас шнековый, шнек у нас.
The homemade branch shredder with a screw shaft operates with impressive force. Simply feed a branch into the spiral, and the cutting blade instantly pulls it in, shredding it quickly. Designed like a giant meat grinder for wood, it generates continuous power thanks to its highly clever spiral motion. The Holzhacker RP300 wood shredder demonstrates its impressive power in every frame. Weighing 900 kilograms, the machine connects directly to the PTO shaft and operates steadily at 540 revolutions per minute. Sturdy, precise, and unwavering, it faces every challenge from nature without hesitation. The screw-type branch shredder is once again put into action with full power. The operator simply feeds each branch into the hopper, and the sharp steel spiral instantly pulls it inside. Each rotation generates immense pressure and cutting force, crushing the branches into neat wood chips. No heavy effort is needed, the entire process runs smoothly and with impressive force. The two GTM GTL 8000 wood splitters power up simultaneously with impressive force. Their 3000W, 230V motors generate up to 8 tons of pressure, enough to split logs up to 550 mm long and 320 mm in diameter. Simply place a log in position, and the feed table slowly presses it into the splitting blade, transforming large logs into neat, uniform pieces. The steady workflow puts no strain on the operator, providing joint-friendly efficiency for those who handle firewood regularly. Working side by side, the two machines achieve extremely high productivity. Continuous feeding clears piles of wood in a short time. The Lankman STX13 operates alongside the Hanomag Perfect 400 tractor. The engine roars powerfully and steadily, like a symphony of mechanical strength. The 13-ton splitting force gradually presses down, and the sharp steel blade splits thick logs in an instant. Each press is precise, decisive, and exceptionally stable, showcasing Lankman's superior craftsmanship. The entire system works in perfect harmony, like a living machine, powerful, intelligent, and astonishingly efficient. The cone-shaped wood splitter begins spinning at a steady speed, its sharp steel tip gradually driving into the solid oak log. There's no loud explosion or violent impact, just immense twisting force that cleanly separates the wood fibers. Oak, known for its hardness, toughness, and resistance to splitting, is handled swiftly by this machine as if it were cutting through butter. The 12-ton rail type wood splitter powers up with astonishing force. The heavy steel rail surges forward, pushing the large log into the waiting sharp blade. With a single strike, the thick log splits instantly, its fibers bursting apart under the immense power. The operator simply places the wood in position and waits for the next split. No need for axes or heavy hammers, this machine fully liberates human strength. However, precise handling and maintaining a safe distance are essential, as the split wood can recoil with significant force. The Roberta V1 wood splitter powers up at a breathtaking speed. Its heavy steel pushing arm relentlessly drives the hard, dry log into the sharp splitting blade. Each strike lands with immense force, sending the log flying apart in an instant. However, the incredible speed comes with a challenge. Even a small mistake can be very dangerous. Concentration and maintaining a safe distance are always top priorities when operating. An impressive homemade machine, both powerful and labor-saving, but definitely not for the inexperienced. Oh my gosh! The sharp steel drill slowly penetrates the massive logs, splitting them cleanly in just a few seconds. The operator must push the logs into the drill, reducing effort but still requiring utmost caution. The machine's twisting power makes thick, heavy logs obedient, dividing them into perfect halves with a single touch. However, the high speed and intense torque make this a dangerous machine, demanding complete focus from the operator. The Tyrex rack wood splitter starts operating with an incredibly impressive force. The heavy steel rack moves forward, pushing the thick log into the sharp splitting blade, dividing it into two parts in the blink of an eye. With pressure reaching several tons, no log, big or heavy, can resist, splitting cleanly without much human effort. The operator only needs to place the wood in the correct position. The machine delivers all the power, saving maximum time and energy. It can work with a gasoline engine or have its speed adjusted via pulleys and flywheels, offering remarkable flexibility in any situation.
Большое спасибо Олегу, который мне прислал этот станок.
If you find this content valuable, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest topics. Every interaction from you is a valuable recognition of our team's effort. The screw-type wood splitter starts operating with a 4 kilowatts electric motor, generating an incredibly powerful 1,080 revolutions per minute twist. Although the screw tip is only 100 millimeters in diameter, the torque and rotation speed are enough to handle even hard, dry, and heavy logs. A smart solution that saves effort while being fast and highly efficient for any household or farm. With just a few strikes, the thick, heavy log instantly splits in 4 directions, the wedge following the grain, forcing even resistant wood to yield. The operator needs a sturdy mallet weighing around 4 kilograms, but compared to splitting small pieces manually with an axe, the effort is greatly reduced.
I'm going to start out with this light baton, see how it works. I don't know, I'll probably have to switch to the heavier one for this, but gotta use the big one.
The Timberline 6300 is being used for battening rounds of wood, demonstrating incredible strength for a price of just around $40. The thick, sturdy blade not only cuts wood but also withstands prying and force that would break many thinner knives. Although this is primarily a skinner knife, its performance outside its main purpose is equally impressive.
There we go. And this can also be used as honing steel. There you go.
The log is positioned in place, and the sharp splitting blade slowly descends, cutting through the thick wood in an instant. Unlike hydraulic machines, this system operates quietly, without strong vibrations, giving a sense of safety and easy control. The splitting blade can be upgraded to handle larger logs, while the wood cradle ensures every piece stays secure during the splitting process. The Matrix LS6 1500 kicks into action with impressive power. Its smart and robust design allows for fast, efficient, and safe wood processing, even with hard, knotty logs. The Zudia gear-driven wood splitter mounted on a monoblock starts operating with impressive power. A large log is placed in position, and the gears along with the sharp splitting blade gradually press down, splitting the heavy log in just a few seconds. The reduction gear system allows the machine to run steadily, increasing splitting force while saving energy from the monoblock, without the need for complex hydraulics. The homemade wood splitter starts operating, and its performance is truly impressive. The 3 kilowatts motor running at 1,500 revolutions per minute transmits power through a 132 gear system, pushing dry oak logs into the sharp splitting blade. The machine runs quietly, almost vibration-free, yet its force is enough to handle the toughest logs. The Equus SM660G portable sawmill starts operating with impressive power from its 13 horsepower, per-stroke Lansen gasoline engine. The sharp German quality saw blade with 32 mm teeth smoothly cuts through logs up to 660 mm in diameter. The homemade hydraulic log splitter starts operating with a 7.5 kilowatts motor and a 50 liter per minute hydraulic pump, delivering exceptional power. The hydraulic system ensures strong, stable, and even pressure, even on thick, heavy logs. The sound of the machine in action combined with the powerful force creates an exciting and thrilling experience.
Ну, вона обманчива ця погода.
The automatic wood splitter starts up with truly impressive power. Large logs are placed on the feed table, and the powerful machine pushes them into the sharp axe blade. Within seconds, the heavy logs are split cleanly and precisely in two. The operator barely needs to use any strength, only positioning the wood and monitoring the machine. The smart design allows fast handling of large logs, saving maximum time and effort.
Юра їх рве. Ножик.